few ways to fix the slow boot times in your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we will discuss some of the best ways by which we can fix the issue of slow booting times on your Windows. So to start up with, let's run some of the commands on your command prompt. So for that, search for the command prompt and make sure to run it as administrator. The commands include scan now, dism, scan health, and restore health. This way, you will help to solve any type of corrupted files or folders. Moving on to the next solution, open Task Manager. Next up, go to the Startup Files. Right-click and disable any of the file which is not required. This way also you can help to fix the slow boot times. Moving on to the next solution, other things that you can apply is uninstall the not required applications. Once that is done, the other thing that you can run is the malware bytes. This way you can search for the malware functions as well. So that is it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.